I talk about Jamil and him baptism and you know what I mean? But go on, big up yourself. DJ Lil D one, big up yourself. So now send out the Ellis Road then man. And I shell place when I go road. Alright, so first things first, more say enough respect to Mr. Crawford. Remember, this is what I try to tell people all the while, you know. PNP are wicked and Labour Right are wicked. Two of them are wicked. But you have one wicked who just wicked and not give no chance of survival. And you have one who wicked and give you a chance of survival. That is the problem. Zin? Alright. Me I say now, from day one, before the elections, I'm glad my memory box Gaga is here. So she can remember. Remember Afro Jam Queen do badges a while ago. Give thanks mama. Zin? Yeah. So I'm glad Gaga there I can remind her of some of the things. Before election, we had a campaign going on in Jamaica where them locked down music and them now free up the music. And we were protesting no music, no vote. Want to remember that? No music, no vote. Now, the problem with Jamaican people, they are very forgetful. They have short-term memory. Now, here comes COVID. Nobody now remember say, them with a protest say, no music, no vote. Because COVID come crumple up the place and then bro God find us tragedy with our clocks and take up my youth the slang. Say bro God, you see me? So the fanfare and the excitement make them forget that the man locked on the whole country and music can't play. Selectors suffer, artists suffer, promoters suffer, promotion girls suffer, booking agency suffer. Big up Afro Jam, buy some more badges. Yeah mama, big up yourself. Love that. Zine? So everybody forgot what the mission was. Me telling them, me come out from my life, me say, do not vote for Andrew Holness. I deliberately said that 1,000,000 times. I already said it's going to be the worst mistake Jamaican people have ever made in their entire life. Okay? Now, a lot of people at the time, Black Sheep, big up yourself. A lot of people at the time cuss me out. Them say you chat too much, you're too enough for you're a dirty PNP. But them not realize say, I am a human before a politician. I am a citizen of Jamaica before being a PNP or a Labour Right. And me see from way out, say this man is not doing anything good or constructive for the country to become a leader. It not work. Remember him coming to politics and him then politics and he become the Prime Minister by default. Because Bruce Golding exit abruptly and then him become the leader. And then him lose the election. He was the shortest term as a Prime Minister because him lose. See? So, me did see what I go on and I try one of the people but nobody never interested in what me have to say. Like how some Jamaicans there, them not take warning, them not take telling, them have to see it for themselves, them have to hurt for themselves. You understand? Alright. I watched Mr. Crawford's video earlier. And you know why me I come in Mr. Crawford? Because from one day me I cuss to myself. And Razid linked me about it one time and said I need to burn a fire about it. because the opposition party, which is the People's National Party, is sitting idle and sitting quiet while the man them destroy the culture and the people and the country. Princess Alreka bought a badge. Give thanks, Princess. The man them a destroy everything where Jamaica stand for. You understand what I say? So when me hear the Prime Minister now come out and him a reiterate and a go to point finger upon the entertainment industry again, you know. Remember what him say? Are the people them where buy pound of flour, pound of sugar, big jill of oil, a spread COVID, you know. Remember say him say an artist responds to crime and music responds to crime. When if you check the reality, a crime motivate the lyrics. And the lyrics motivate the crime. Because before Dodo's name go in a song, him did Afia Bad first. Before Zeke's name go in a song, him did Afia Bad first. So it can't be the music make them bad. The man them are just bad people. And the man them bad at music if you just sing about the man them and support them, else artists dead too. Think about that. You understand what I say? When Jimmy Cliff them a sing the other, they come the other, them fall off the show where them a shoot people and bullet police and bag of thing. That not have nothing to do with music, Regine. Bad man a bad man before artists know them. Remember the artists don't get up and know no bad man till the man actually bad. The man if actually bad, for artists know him. So are the badness make the artists have to sing about this, the badness? Who create the badness? Politicians create the badness by equipping the gunman with guns and ammunition. So the bad man now create a thing named violence. Because the bad man, they have a problem with over the lane there, you know. But the politician tell him, say, listen, over the lane there, the next man I get more vote than me over there, you know. So we need for you to go power up the lane there and get them to vote for us. So we not gonna take no blame, but entertainment responds to crime. Crime responsible for corrupt entertainment. Make we have to sing about crime and violence and I play crime and violence song. Because crime and violence is so evident and so serious in the communities. Big up Rita Goodas. She bought some badges. You understand? So, like what I said before, and I don't know if someone will remember. I, and Gaga is here, we can tell me if me a lie. I came out, I said, this thing not gonna work. You cannot blame music. Politicians are more responsible for crime than entertainment at any time. You understand what I say? So now, this man, Andrew Wellness, come even put a Mr. on your name right now and honorable. Can me discuss with you right now. You have pissed me off right now, brother. You are going to come again now and make a speech and say the last time you free up the place, it caused a spike in COVID-19. And you now talk about the election and the celebration and the campaign and the big venue them from Portland to St. Thomas to all about with politicians that keep celebration and a book artists and I go on a bag of something. Talk about that now, brother. Oh, you want to blame entertainment. Oh, when entertainment suffer more than anybody else, Nika Trendy bought some badges. Big up Nika Trendy. Remember, sir, that politics something there cost more problem than anything else. Tali bought some badge. So when you in a bag of vehicle, them are going a little get to them. And the whole of the lane them black and nobody not have on the mask. That not cause the problem. Today, I've come to the conclusion that Andrew Holness does not like music. We didn't have it same like music. Cause you don't know Tower Hill after wheel them a film constituency.